Come on. This isn't going to work. I'm going to try it. Awkward. Oh, this is working. I hope it's on camera. I don't think what I'm doing is getting filmed. Yeah, it is. Okay, good. Thank God. Look at it go. Would you just look at it go. All right, let's wrap this up. It's starting to rain. I gotta put some tools away, but would you just look at it? It's mocked up and it is extended. Now I gotta square it up a little bit because I just slid everything on there for the video because I know it's gonna rain for the next couple of days and I wanted to get this done, otherwise it was gonna bug me. and I was just going to stare at it through my security camera, wishing I was out here working on it. But unfortunately, it doesn't fit in my shop anymore. So, yeah, plans from now are I'm going to get it squared up, and we're going to take it over to Uncle Clint's. We're going to break out the Vevor welder, and we are going to weld this bad boy in place. But it is side-by-side status, man. This thing is big. I don't think it fits on my trailer anymore. I got to measure it, but if it's over 8 feet long, I don't think it fits. I was going to trailer this thing to car shows. All right, until next time, good luck with your projects. I hope everything goes well and it's not raining where you're at. Until then, later taters, Yerf dog.